Yo, what's up? It's your boy Histransform here, and oh man, if you're a tech junkie like me, buckle up, because I've got some seriously hype news that's gonna blow your mind. Today, we're diving into the Realme GT8 Pro. Yeah, that beast that's rumored to drop as India's very first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 phone. And get this, it's eyeing a launch on November 11th. The countdown is on, people. I can't wait to fire up my favorite PC games on this monster, streaming them smooth as butter. Who's with me? Drop a like if you're hyped. So, quick backstory. Xiaomi just stole the show in China with their 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, the world's first phones rocking that insane Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. But now, the global race is heating up big time. We've got Realme GT8 Pro, OnePlus 15, and iQOO 15, all gunning to be the first outside China. And according to the latest scoop from 91 Mobilins, Realme is pulling out the stops to win this. Originally, they were planning to unleash the GT8 Pro between November 18th and 20th here in India. But boom, word is OnePlus is crashing the party with their OnePlus 15 on the 13th. So Realme's like, nah, we're not waiting. They're shifting gears to launch between the 10th and 12th, and everyone's betting on the 11th. If that's legit, expect those epic teasers to start flooding in later this month. Can you imagine? Official hype videos, leaks, the whole nine yards? Oh, and speaking of this month, Realme's got even more cooking in China. They're dropping the Realme GT8 and GT8 Pro there soon. The Pro's locked in with that Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 goodness, but the regular GT8? It's sticking with last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite. Solid, but not next level. And hey, no word yet on if the non-Pro hits global shelves. Fingers crossed, right? Now, let's talk about why this phone has me losing sleep. It's Realme's first big collab with Ricoh. Camera wizards, folks. Rumors are swirling about a killer rear setup. A 50-megapixel Sony LYT-700 main shooter for those crystal clear shots, a whopping 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto for zooming in like a pro spy, and an ultra-wide lens to capture all the vibes. Add in that powerhouse chip for gaming and multitasking that flies, and you've got a phone that's gonna dominate. Guys, this thing is stacked with features I'll break down in just a sec. Battery life for days, a sleek design, and prices that won't break the bank. But first, smash that subscribe button if you haven't, hit the bell so you never miss the drop, and tell me in the comments, Team Realme or waiting for OnePlus? Who's snagging this on launch day? Let me know below. Peace out and catch you in the next one.